forecast with First Alert meteorologist Lauren Whitney. It's a First Alert weather day. It's so hard because you want warm days, but then on days like this, it can get a little dangerous.
Exactly. We have really strong wind in many areas, so that fire danger is way high today. Let's take a look outside. This is the reason for the First Alert weather day. The red flag warning that covers the Denver area, Boulder, Fort Collins, Greeley, and then all the way out into Nebraska and even parts of Kansas. So again, widespread fire danger out there, and it's not just there. It's actually down in southern Colorado as well. San Luis Valley has a red flag warning as well. So this is in place through 7 o'clock tonight. The wind is howling out there. We have low humidity. It's warm, obviously, and it's very, very dry out there. So again, from Craig all the way out towards Holyoke and down towards Springfield, the wind is strong. But the worst conditions in terms of that humidity and the heat is up in that northern part of the state. So that's why we have the red flag warning for us. As we zoom on into the Denver area, you can just see by the color contours here, this means some pretty strong winds. We have 50-mile-per-hour gusts in Wellington, 54 in Netherland, and here in the Denver area, again, it is pretty strong from Denver out towards DIA. So a little bumpy takeoff time out at the airport. That's not unusual here, though, but a little worse today. Our satellite and radar is quiet. We're not expecting moisture really possibly until this weekend. So I'm putting this all the way through tomorrow night for our future cast. It's going to be mild and dry, and tomorrow the wind will get better for us. So although it's still warm, we aren't expecting to see super strong winds tomorrow. Maybe still a little breezy in some areas, but the big gusts are gone. So high pressure is going to stick with us for the next couple of days. But once we get towards about Sunday and into Monday, we start to see that high shift out of here, and then this will bring us another chance for moisture, that area of low pressure passing through on Sunday and into Monday, maybe into Tuesday, but high pressure builds back in pretty quickly, and then we're drying out once again. 67 in Denver right now, 68 in Boulder and Fort Collins, out in the Eastern Plains 60s, and then we see the 40s to the 60s in the high country. Later today, 70 in Denver, 71 in Boulder, 73 in Fort Collins and Greeley, close to the 80s in the southeast, high country 50 in Breckenridge, 55 in Vail, and 77 in Grand Junction. This weekend, a lot of ski resorts are going to start closing, and if they don't close this weekend, a lot more will close Easter weekend. So tomorrow, 65, 80 on Friday, and then we jump up to 84 on Saturday, flirting with a daily record high of 85 degrees. Then we cool off on Sunday. We'll see the chance for some late day rain and maybe some rain showers on Monday, and temperatures drop back below normal.
All right, Lauren, thank you. We are covering Colorado first in the high country.